Jose Lemos from BeybladeWorld.net, and this video is called The Beyblade Top Blade versus Tornado Tops Battle Series Battle 3. Scores 1-1. First Top Blade won, then after Tornado won. So it's going to be an amazing battle. It's going to be the awesomest battle. Well, actually, there probably will be more battles coming soon. Just for now, an awesome battle. Top Blade was made from Sonokong, and it's awesome. It's Mortal Shark versus Tornado Zurafa. We're about to be in the Striker Arena Battle Stadium. 3, 2, 5 rounds. So now, the round that could be, maybe, okay, it's gonna be round 1 now. Right, here we go. Right, no, wait. Get stuck on an angle. No. Alright, need to make sure the name's set in right. I'm more sharp ready. And now, boom, shakalaka. Launching! Whoa, did you see how epic their clashing is? Wow, Tornado Tops aren't that bad. So isn't Top Blade. So is Top Blade, Whoa. Epic match! Come on, Mortal Shark. Will the Mortal Shark win this epic fame match? Or will Zurafa counter? Probably Mortal Shark, because I'm guessing Zurafa's kind of... You know what they say, Tornado Tops are unpredictable, but that was so predictable. Ha! This shark won this round. You could say it used the jaw. Jaws? Like their movie called Jaws or something. Da 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 da. No wait, never mind. Alright, let's go to the next round. Scores 1-0, so now round 2. I love doing Beyblade battles. It's just so fun. It helps pass the time. Whenever I'm bored, it's like want to do Beyblade battles. Zurafa! I do Beyblade videos. Come on, Zurafa! No, Mortal Shark! Come on! Use your jaws to destroy! What are you? It's Tornado Zurafa. Okay. Come on, Mortal Shark, go! No! Zurafa, defend! Come on, Zurafa! Haha, you've been caught in the middle of the circle. Everyone knows you should never get caught in the middle of the circle. No. Zurafa, don't lose! It's too late. My shark is just made your Beyblade dinner. Well, just figure of speech, not really. Scores 2-0, so I'm gonna leave this. Instead of zooming in, I really want to try something you can do with Top Blade. It's just that I feel like it's gonna be awesome because I can actually try ping pong with this. Trust me, it's gonna be awesome as soon as you see it. Alright, hopefully, if I don't miscalculate. Right. Launching! People say my launching sucks. Mortal Shark! Oh, I missed. Mortal Shark! Come on! Mortal Shark! Whoa! Did you see that? Alright. Boom! Oh, I missed. Boom! Alright. Time to zoom in. But you can actually use that to your advantage. Let's hope if I can try in one more shot. Alright! Mortal Shark is gonna win! Go! Come on. Zurafa is the winner with a score of 2-1. So, fans round. Yeah, it's simple. Right. I've got to say, Top Blade is kind of awesome. I don't care. This is actually a new generation of Beyblade that's actually amazing. I would even do fake, I would even do rapidity versions of this. So, the fans round. This is for the fans. Zurafa! Mortal Shark! Whoa! Epic flash, epic flash. Yeah. Zurafa! Come on. I keep on missing. Keep on moving around. Stop moving! Alright, Mortal Shark. No, don't you dare! Come on! Shit! Whoa! Come on! Right. Alright. Wait, let me see if I can actually grab it. I nailed it! Wow, I actually got it! That's the fabulous part about top plate. You know, if you get a stadium out with top plate, you can just grab it with your tweezer and then after give it more rotation, then put it back in. You know what? Top plate's awesome. I don't care what anyone says. This was an amazing battle!